Welcome, today I am with Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones and I will show you how you can unpair them from your Apple Watch. So right now we are connected. Take a look. When I'm going to check the battery level, I can find the level of the batteries from the Beats Solo 3 in this place. And to remove them from our Apple Watch, we have to simply go for the settings. Let's just go back. Now we have to find the Bluetooth settings here, find our Beats, tap on the information icon, click to forget, and then confirm by tapping on the forget again. As you can see right now, we are not connected. And that's how you can make it. As you can see, it was very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.